Rhys from McWilliams Decorators, and I am lifting the lid on Renner water-based top coat 760. I'm using this as part of the system with their undercoat, mixed in ammonites on this kitchen. Rhys here from McWilliams Decorators. We are lifting the lid from Renner top coat, acrylic based, mixed in ammonites. I'm using the T7. As you can see, the pressure is at under 1,000. I'm getting a nice fan pattern with a 310 tip, gold tip, so it's the fine surface, fine finish, sorry. So yeah, clean shots, no spits, lovely fan pattern. Rhys from McWilliams Decorators. Just finished using the Renner M760 single pack water-based top coats. Absolutely loving the sheen level. It rubbed down really nice in between coats. And yeah, just letting it dry now. Finished all the doors and just doing the drawers now. Really lovely paint to use, great fan pattern, didn't have to mess around with it. Just straight out the tin and away you go. Lovely.